Game won't open due to the PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. For professional-grade PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the PhysX CUDA Runtime 20, the NVIDIA PhysX CUDA Runtime. It provides the unmanaged orchestration of physics calculations on the GPU, facilitating the hardware-accelerated manifest for gaming data links. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Errors involving PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 DLL typically suggest that the NVIDIA PhysX files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the display driver uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Keep in mind that PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 dependencies. To keep PhysX CUDA Runtime 20 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.